Have you ever seen a mountain that breathes fire and smoke? Today, we're visiting a special giant in Italy, Mount Etna. It's not just a mountain, it's a super active volcano. So why does it erupt with fire and ash? Hot melted rock called magma moves deep under the ground. When it reaches the surface, it becomes fiery lava. These eruptions can even change the volcano's shape. This means Mount Etna is always getting taller or shorter. But this volcano isn't just fearsome, it's also helpful. Its slopes have very fertile soil, perfect for farming. People grow delicious fruits and grapes right here. Mount Etna is a beautiful and powerful giant. Let's explore another magical place together next time.